Who's ready to make some cheesy rolls? These are from my Food Network show. So get the yeast going, some thyme from the garden, and put all that in, some melted butter. Full recipe is at the end. A couple of eggs, some salt, and then you got to mix up the dough. This is kind of the easy part. The more labor intensive comes later. Well, it needs about an hour to rise. Has it risen yet? I'm waiting. Yes, it's time to roll it out. Now, this is when you start slicing to make the rolls. And you can use very simple ingredients such as some melted butter. Got my brush there. Now, it's a packaged cheese, nothing fancy. So I'm rolling these up, but once I roll it up, I'm going to cut it because they're all going to go together in the same oiled pan. So when this is done, it's going to be very easy for them to break apart and to serve. You can use different cheeses. I'm just using cheddar here. Now, putting some melted butter on the top, putting them in an oven at 200 degrees for about a half an hour, which helps them rise. And then I'm going to turn up the heat after I've done an egg wash and I've lost my brush, so I'm using a paper towel here, putting on some more cheese and putting them in there at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. And they come out, oh, they smell delicious. You can smell the thyme, buttery, yummy, very popular. There's the recipe, and kitchen's a little bit of a mess at the end, but they were great for dinner and the next morning.